Oh, hello, my name is Michael. I'd like to show you how to obtain consumable items so that you may complete your maintenance tasks. Step 1. Scan your identification badge. Step 2. Locate your visit number on the drop-down menu, which is the first 4 digits of your routine card number or non-routine card number. In this case, it's 2783. Select your visit number. You are now prompt to scan your work order. You have a selection pane here. Let's select 2-inch masking tape. I selected 2-inch masking tape. Now I will push the issue/open icon so that I may gain access to these items. Cabinet is unlocked. I located the item, pulled the drawer out, took the item. Let me grab 2 just in case. 2 items. Push the drawer back in. Make sure it's pushed in all the way. Close the door. I will now go back to the selection screen. Make sure that the order was recorded, and then log out of this item, this action request. The drawers are weighted, and it'll measure by weight how many items you have taken out. Once that is calculated, please press the log out icon to complete your transaction. That was the training video. Be well.